Chief Minister Okram Singh says the government will soon frame Manipur startup policy to help small enterprises. Former Minister Francis Ngajokpa resigns as MLA and from the primary membership of Congress Party. Scheduled tribe students take out protest march against the decision of Manipur University Academic Council. And BJP Manipur Pradesh to launch fight against drug traffickers in the state. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangwa Monica bringing you the top stories. Chief Minister Okram Singh today stated that his government will soon frame a Manipur startup policy to help the small enterprises in the state. Speaking as the chief guest at the inaugural function of Leisna packaged drinking water and fruit juices of BLL Enterprises Private Limited at Nilakuthi Food Park, Koirengai, Okram said all over the world the governments help the startup companies to make them successful. He assured the people that his government will provide all possible assistance to startup companies and to make them successful and to make Manipur a company hub. Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai Devi, Sukhnu MLA K. Ranjit Singh were among those who attended the event. The company aims at producing 5,000 litres of juices and daily drinking water daily. Around 200 persons are employed in the company.
Quality di maintain tawutai. Quality cannot be compromised. Quality is the karigino haibu masde puthokado iba ising or natraga juice masi human consumption neba mine chagadori buneba maseba masidagi hai mahi matalama thauraga natraga sidagi ising thauraga midu daira tawre ada tawre mi sibata di criminal case sigi managing director gi mafam khudak tak case tawkaneba.
With the resignation of Tadubi MLA and former Minister Francis Ngajokpa from the primary membership of the Congress Party, the number of MLAs leaving the party has gone up to 3. Francis Ngajokpa, who has been elected on Congress ticket in Tadubi for 3 terms, today resigned from the primary membership of the party. He also resigned as MLA. MPCC President T.N. Haukip has accepted his resignation from the party. After submitting his resignation to the party president, Francis told the media that he resigned from the Congress according to the wishes of the people of Tadubi. He said he will decide to join a political party other than Congress and NPF after discussing with the people. He said it is early to decide which party to join. In responding to media query on the reason behind his resignation from the Congress party, Francis said the people pressured him into resigning as they were dissatisfied with the Congress government.
To join a party, the party that resign party primary membership resign the public and public meeting party topic ro atopa dolda contest of the party da Congress INC da contest of the public ya pam na to resign to party only have decision like that aduga party pay patel public meeting dam ko na meeting tawdi kendra ti jati sumapan jati yamba aduga me different yamane mo opinion people wanida adudi ai bo CEO ai mo na ida moina mo meeting da su yaudabne na mo meeting da apam pamba mo express to we want.
MPCC President T.N. Haukip admitted that the resignation of 3 senior MLAs from the Congress is not good for the party when the assembly polls are drawing near. He, however, was quick to add that the number of new entrants is higher than those who exited from the party. The Congress leader maintained that it is usual in politics. He said the party cannot say no to members who want to leave the party. Haukip said no more MLA will leave the party. He was optimistic that the entry of new MLAs in place of old MLAs will help in sustaining the party.
President oina haibatara di masidi afaba sign dignate elected member amage rights and privilege ma MLA tokadra party tokadra haibatu mana mapam matam khangna ka torap matam dadi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯅꯣ ꯅꯪꯁꯨ ꯇꯣꯛꯄ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯂꯩꯇꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ we respect the sentiment and the emotional decision of honorable MLA masidi aina nahan makaisu haikre by the end of October and November suwaisida political club transfer legani haibado thorabra haina su khale mi gi su ekoi da lapalei ekoi gi su mi da chakadobale.
Two BJP councillors of Andro Nagar Panchayat joined Andro Block Congress Committee today. Andro MLA T.H. Shyamkumar welcomed the two BJP councillors S. Inaubi of Ward number 7 and H. Ningthem of Ward number 10. Speaking to media persons, MLA Shyamkumar said the talk between NSC and IM and the central government is welcome, but the silence of the centre and the state BJP on the contents of the peace accord clearly shows there is no place for BJP in the state.
Manipur Ladiba, BJP, Delhi Paliba, Gamenasina, Yamachauba, India government, Amadi, Manipuri, Prasada, minimum Tawi Madudi, NSN Ayanga, Pisako Saint Tonabakanda, Bhar Sakana, Amadi, BJP na, Asibo the Pondotaba, Masimanga City, Manipur, da BJP. Lehau Late, Manipur, BJP, Pida Late, have a sea so Kudama Mani, Congress, and Sweden, my Pakani, see Yavi Eba, honorable councillor Anishina, Sengatai, Madudi, Tonganba, Lamdasu, Kendasu, Kenham Pudasu, Congress, Masing Yamna, Bodkaduna, Manipuda, Congress, Sasan, Lakani Hainai, Hazard.
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee President T.N. Haukib also welcomed the two BJP councillors to the Congress party. Scheduled tribe students today took out a protest march against the decision of the Academic Council of Manipur University on said reservation. A large number of tribal students gathered at 10 in the morning and took out a protest march from Adim Jati Complex, Chimmairong, to submit a memorandum to the governor. The protesters also chanted slogans. They were halted by police at PCTC oil pump. 7 students' representatives were later allowed to submit the memorandum to the governor. President of All Manipur Tribal Students Union, Joseph R. Mar, said it is unreasonable for the authority of Manipur University to not follow an act passed by the parliament and reduce the seats of scheduled tribe students. He said they will intensify their protest if the Academic Council does not withdraw its decision. He also warned that the tribal students will not enter the campus of the university until their demands are met.
Aranba decision ama lawbase soire haibase thuna gyan taradi laibaki aphaba oigani university gi aphaba oigani mairoi singi aphaba oigani mikap thokpa matam oire MU gi academic council se lona parliament na ek na piba hak phau akhoi sida phangdaradi kari tawgadori no sida khoi UGC nom do chatna biu haibani UGC nom khangda mi sing professor oiba tokpiro UGC nom phau Paba Tokta Parliament Act have a Kangdaba professor sing the Karino Muina Takpi Doisida. Principal Act ni, amended Act ni, court order ni, court contempt Arabani, Shipauki and Tabagam, the professor sings Karamba Professor Nova. Ashimuna Karamba my Pido Nova.
More than 120 houses have been damaged by flood in Moreh following heavy rain that hit the border town on Monday night. The flood also destroyed the bridge between Chavangpai and Muslim Lekai. Meanwhile, Health Minister D. Korungtang, who represents Tengnopal Assembly constituency, yesterday visited the flood-affected areas and met the people. He assured the people that the bridge connecting Chavangpai and Muslim Lekai will be repaired before the Kut festival. Following the heavy rain which lashed the town on the night of October 10, the Lairok and Kujairok river overflowed, flooding Chavangpai Kul, Muslim Lekai, Turel Wangma Maitei Lekai. The flood water damaged 30 houses in Chavangpai Kul, over 80 houses in Turel Wangma Maitei Lekai and 10 in Muslim Lekai. Chavangpai Kul suffered extensive damage. Health Minister D. Korungtang assured the flood-affected people of all possible help from his side. He told the media persons that he will consult the department concerned to repair the bridge between Chavangpai and Muslim Lekai before Kut. The minister also said a retaining wall will also be built near Chanankul with Border Development Fund.
Aigi saitagi hojik chokliba masigi chana thaknaba mating pangani leibi yadraba yum mai batare ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯖꯤꯡꯒꯞ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯑꯦꯁꯦꯁꯃꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯃꯗꯨꯃ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯀꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯄꯥꯡꯖꯒꯦ ꯆꯋꯥꯡ ꯐꯥꯏꯒ ꯃꯨꯁꯂꯤꯝ ꯅꯒꯔꯒꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯣꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜ ꯀꯥꯕꯒꯁꯨ ꯃꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯊꯣꯡꯅꯤꯅ ꯀꯨꯠꯀꯤ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯣꯀꯦꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯃꯛꯇꯤ ꯎꯄꯥꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯖꯤꯟꯒꯦ ꯇꯦꯝꯄꯔꯔꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯍꯥꯟꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই IFCDꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯞ ꯄꯦꯄꯔ ꯀꯨꯝꯕ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই NECꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ NLCPRꯒꯤ ꯃꯈꯥꯗ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯄ ꯌꯥꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ.
With water of the river Lairok and Kujairok overflowing in Moreh town on the Indo-Myanmar border, several families in the area have been hit and houses damaged. Heavy rainfall caused the flood and more than 20 meters of border fence on India and Myanmar international border near Pillar 79 has been swept away in the flood. The portion of the fence was swept away on the night of October 10. However, both sides are yet to visit the site and repair the fence. Health Minister D. Korungthang inspected the construction work of Moreh Hospital in Tengnoupal yesterday. He announced that nurses and other infrastructure will be provided very soon. The minister was accompanied by ADC Moreh Chairman Zhao, ADC Moreh and Gojendro, Moreh Additional SP Mubi during the visit. The team interacted with doctors and nurses regarding problems faced by them. Korungthang told media persons that he wants to avail modern facilities at the hospital. The minister also said he has instructed the officials concerned to look into shortage of nurses and other infrastructure at the hospital.
Hospital si infrastructure wat liba khot liba masigi renovation gi hojik almost si semjille hojik lakpa kanda khoi gi emo in charge na masigi nurse kra wat le he masi thu namak hojik director ga su wari sanajare madunga simuk thok ke hare awat pad nursing si manpower hai batare aduga complaint leiriba machine ultrasound amasu hojik x-ray machine se masi
Thamwipan MLA KH Joy Kisan said BJP Manipur Pradesh will launch its fight against drug traffickers to save the youths of the state. Speaking to media persons at BJP office at Nichai Pachatek, MLA KH Joy Kisan said BJP Yuva Morcha will organize a public rally on the 26th of this month against those who join politics for personal gains. He also said the BJP Mandals will launch protests against the Speaker for misuse of the constitutional powers from the 16th of this month. And the party will reveal the proofs of misappropriation of central funds by the state government.
Aina prajagi thabak tawgani, aina miyamgi kangani, laibaki demakta koi punamak thado bani hairaga, aigi imung manungi miyoi sing, aigi mari matagi miyoi sing na Manipur drug karbar achobo oirabakanda, Maduda action amata lokatrabakanda, Karamba Rasniti Gulanano, Tabak Doctori Habese, BJP na. Masi wapam masi punamaka thamjari Manipur Pajara Gitabakta central government Tatrakpo Pashamaya Mase Akogi Ladiba government Asina Lut Tauraga Miam Gisako Tarangi Pirakpa Paisa Singato Lanai Poketa Sijin Lady Habapum Mase Marik Chum Wapumama Akoina Sugumba release the Potok Charagan.
Kisamthong MLA Laisomi Bomcha today said he will fight election from a political party which will win the assembly election. The MLA made the statement at the 92nd birth anniversary celebration of Rajkumar Chandrajit Sana Singh, popularly known as RKCS, at RKCS Art Gallery. The event was organized by RKCS Museum of Arts and Crafts. MLA Bomcha said he has selflessly served the people by sitting in the opposition. He also said he was earlier approached by other political parties to fight election on the ticket, but he declined. The MLA said he has not given his commitment to any political party. He said soon he will hold a meeting with the people of his constituency to decide further course of action. Ibomcha said he wants to fight election from a party which can win election. He however lamented that a great artist like RKCS has not been recognized by the central government.
Aigunda Kogi National Party Karagi Akogi leaders in the Lep invitation lai Aina Tanur Bunati when a Nang service Darkali Yao Harakuli I respond Pijadri Madam de workers sing advisors sing leaders sing Tanajari Kanaum Habiba Masa Ojabuti the Habido Sumi Adu Ojabuti Gadi Manipur Hingmasi of Nawaba I say he any Ojabuti Laksabani Adu Yawana ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯕ MLA ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯖꯔꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯗꯨ ꯄꯥꯝꯖꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯗꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯋꯥꯕꯗ ꯄꯥꯡꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯔꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯇꯤꯗꯨ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯀꯦ ꯈꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ
Lilong Political Unified Link Lipul has expressed a desire to hold political debate for aspiring candidates in Lilong constituency. In a press release, Lipul asked aspiring candidates about the political situation in Lilong and what they wish to do for the people if they get elected. Caesar Eye Care Foundation, in association with Lions Club of Imphal Chanura, organized a comprehensive eye camp at Paunam Pakalaima Public School, Kiam, today on World Sight Day. 120 patients were examined for eye-related problems. Dr. Sharda, consultant ophthalmologist, along with other supporting staff of Caesar Eye Care Foundation, examined the patients. Caesar Eye Care Foundation also helped a screening camp at Kids Foundation Imphal in association with Lions Club of Imphal Laimaro. Teachers were taught simple techniques to detect eye problems. 546 students were screened at the camp. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯆꯦꯠꯄ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯤ ಶ್ರೀ ꯃꯅꯤ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯖ꯭ꯋꯦꯂꯔꯁ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯈꯟꯕꯅꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯈ꯭ꯔꯕꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯣ ꯋꯥꯒꯅꯨ ꯂꯥꯛꯑꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯐꯖꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯄꯥꯝꯕ ꯗꯤꯖꯥꯏꯟ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯐꯪꯂꯒꯅꯤ ಶ್ರೀ ಮನಿ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲರ್ಸ್
Radiant Tutorial Yumnam Lekai Imphal, run by well-experienced CBSE school teachers. Admission open for class 9 and 10 CBSE summative assessment 2. Class starts on 6th October 2016. Class timing 4:40 p.m. to 7:40 p.m. Subjects offered: English, Mathematics, Science and Social Science. Features: regular unit tests, study materials, MCQ and study tour. Van service is also available.
नुंगायरबा पाउजेल मणिपुर संगाई फेस्टिवल मनुंगदा म्यांमार दा फ्लाइट तोंगनुना कोइरुनबगी अचौबा खुदोंचाबा अमा केबी एंटरप्राइजेस न पिजरी नवेंबर गी तांग कुन दा चटखरगा तांग कुन तरुक ता हलकदबनी सुपनतगी एयर फेयर लिसिंग 15 का चमंगा दा म्यांमार दा चटपियु पैकेज की खुदोंचाबा सु फंगबिगनी अकुपा मरोल गी दमा केबी एंटरप्राइजेस MG एवेन्यू इम्फाल दा कांटेक्ट तोबियु अखोगी मोबाइल नंबर दी 9862028656.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. A legal aid clinic was opened today at the complex of Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights at North AOC. One-day legal awareness program was also organized by Manipur Commission for Protection of Child Rights under the sponsorship of Manipur State Legal Services Authority. Speaking as the chief guest, Judge of High Court of Manipur and Koteshwar stressed the importance of legal aid clinic in raising awareness among the people about their legal rights and other issues at the easiest way.
These are ways and means how to make this justice system. Justice system is not only confined to the boundaries of courts and the chambers, chamber. It is much more beyond that. Boundaries so that it is very easily accessible.
Transport Department and Traffic Police have covered almost 75% of the total area of Imphal East and Imphal West in a joint drive against two-wheeled riders without helmets and vehicles without IND number plate. Addressing media persons at District Transport Officer Imphal East at ISPT Chingmerong, Imphal East District Transport Officer TH Dinachandra appealed to the public to cooperate in the drive, which will continue in Greater Imphal areas. TH Dinachandra said 5,631 cases were registered and 8,39,500 rupees were collected as fines from the traffic violators. Meanwhile, 10,069 two-wheelers, light vehicles and government vehicles were installed with IND number plates.
Public corporation fangjabadagi 75% baudi cover tobangame adagi high security number plate kisu higher 60-75% bausi public corporation adagi Supreme Court ki ruling gi Minister of Road Transport and Highways Government of India gi Supreme Court ki direction makhajda chatharak pesa corporation BB bagi number plate su 60-75% bau cover toba namjare maduna makhatana haiba drive si public safety helmet number plate ki changsaleba drive sida public na cooperation makata na pibiduna.
OC Traffic Imphal West H. Rameshwar Sarma said some people are thinking that the drive is conducted by the departments to collect money, which is really unfortunate. He said the drive is carried out for the safety of the public under the order of the Supreme Court of India. He said the drive will continue and sought people's cooperation.
Praja Singhi Wafam the day Kogi Thana Singna Transport Department Enforcement Kambuna Moy Ningsing Gatowa Adon Ningsing Dragana Hectopo Dona Kanbi. The same body Praja Punamakna Kogi Chanari Ba Bharat Kaim Sing Sain from Topani Akoidi Madugi Aindu Electraba Henny Electrabum Tamda and Proston Nogi Topcher Pagiwan. Bunamuna Kambi Gadosi Department Moigi fine Kaga State Executive Pasayam Kananabagi Kakinate Sai Sagi Tohon to wait to Electaba Torukta Matamduda Tohom Topani Hana enforced Tozubakatani Gari Towi Badanatana Tombiri by Silin Su Bureau of Indian Standard Key certified Toruba helmet Mamam Sojan Opi Gadavani.
A meeting of BJP Hengang Mandal in connection with the upcoming assembly election was held today at Mahalatis Hall, Lyric Yangbam Lekai. The meeting expressed dissatisfaction at the indifference of BJP state and national leaders towards the Mandal, which has been working to strengthen the party. The meeting also resolved to give suggestions to the state and national leaders to nominate those who would work for the party and the people as candidate in the assembly polls. BJP poster campaign in connection with the upcoming 11th Assembly election kicked off today at Haraurok, Tangkham, Sambrai and Yumnam Kuno in Kundrakpam. Aspiring candidate Thangzam Mohindro said peace can be restored in the state by removing the corrupt Congress government. He appealed to the people to vote BJP to eradicate poverty. A rally was also taken out as part of the campaign in Kundrakpam. BJP Kundrakpam Mandal President NG Iboyai along with members of the Mandal participated in the campaign. Poster and wall painting campaign also kicked off in Korai. BJP Manipur Pradesh State Secretary L. Susildro opened the campaign. At a meeting organized by Wabagai Development Committee at Wabagai Imakalika Community Hall, people resolved not to allow more than one candidate from Wabagai Kul in the upcoming assembly election. The meeting resolved to support social worker Mayengbam Ranjit as common candidate from the area. Speaking at the function, Wabagai Development Committee President Dr. Wairakpam Ibomcha said the resolution was taken to elect the representative who will sincerely work for the welfare of the people.
Mating Tona, Todang Lopang, whatever Muay kind of Wogagi area de la Universidad Equina, Lajerba Committee screening Torga, Mayam Gileva Pazagi, Lapiri Batim, Mayam Singi, okay, Vice Logzerga, a quick couple of candidate Makalaganda, Yan Mating Leba, Quaki Rasida, so what about the one whatever, Aduma Mu Kanzagay has an Aquaking a Sigi, a Quaki Punctuality Bank 7.
The 18th Foundation Day of Manipur Students Federation was celebrated at Ghanapriya Women's College, All Lambulan. Resource person spoke on the role of students in the society at the event. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada yesterday organized a discussion on ill effects of drugs and narcotic substances on the society and people's role in fighting against them at Sagoltongba Sabalekai, Konthozam Lamkai Kaitel in Imphal West. Kada President urged the state government to pay due attention to the problem and take appropriate steps to fight this menace. Manipur Electricity Employees Union has demanded regularization of work charge and muster roll employees who are working in the corporation. Addressing media at its Kaisampat office, General Secretary of the Union, Yumnam Rana Pratap said there are 305 work charge and 38 muster roll employees in the union. He also said they have been requesting the Chief Minister to regularize their service even before it became a corporation. Rana Pratap appealed to the authority concerned to take necessary steps to regularize them before the announcement of the assembly election.
Tilpura government ki makha da leramba daily wages mi lising ani ka changa si moina corporation on ri mamang da moi mi lising ani ka changa si regular ta thukbi ab loina ba adu ngasi akoi manipur gi mi shahunga ma khatang arba workers da aduga master role na kunthra ni pan khatang arba asida regular tahan bi wa bisida taga du suman ba aduga sum tauri na sum leiraba election commission of india city autonomous body ni na makoina manipur election torani harakun mitadi akoi gi election code of conduct chanare na akoi thabak se pura lep ki godo.
Moreh Enterprises, a Yonex brand sports kits shopping mall, was inaugurated at Kesampat Lemazam Lekai today. The mall will provide the best kits to the players of badminton. President of Country Head Sunrise Sports India, Vikram Dhar, Manipur Badminton Association President Bijoy Koizam and international badminton player Mairaba Luwang were among those who attended the event. Now the sports news. In the league match of the 11th Manipur State League played today at Kumalampak Artificial Turf Ground, Nisa Thangmaiban defeated Sagolban United 3-2. T. Deepak, David Ngaite and K.H. Bidya Kumar netted the winning goals for Nisa Thangmaiban. In another match, Trukpu Nambol trounced Nako Nambul Mapal 3-0. The remaining matches have been suspended due to rain. The tournament is organized by All Manipur Football Association under the financial assistance of K.H. Ingoja Singh Memorial Trust. Maharaj Kumar Ghanendrajit Memorial Super Division Football League tournament organized by Imphal East District Football Association concluded today. Nivso Kaibi defeated 11 Star Sporting Union Akampat 2-1 in the league match played today at Kumanlampak Artificial Turf Ground. Nivso Kaibi's Amarjit and Akai scored 1 goal each in the 21st and 44th minute of the match, while the lone goal of 11 Star Sporting Union Akampat was scored by Skranky in the 5th minute of the match. Racing Athletic Union Larry Kengbam won the tournament, while ESU Wankai and ABA Ketrugao were relegated from Super Division to First Division League. Inter-School Sports Meet 2016 organized by Cookie Students Organization Moreh kicked off today at Kutlampak, Moreh. Students of different schools in the area will compete in events like football and race. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Ukromi Singh says the government will soon frame Manipur startup policy to help small enterprises. Former Minister Francis Ngajopa resigns as MLA and from the primary membership of Congress Party. Scheduled tribe students take out protest march against the decision of Manipur University Academic Council. And BJP Manipur Pradesh to launch fight against drug traffickers in the state.